Hey everybody, welcome back to Run and Gun, and thank you so much for joining me this weekend. This episode is all about saying thank you. I hit 500 subscribers, which is a huge milestone for a new YouTube channel, and it's absolutely awesome, and I couldn't do it without you guys and gals that join me every single weekend when I drop a new video. So, to say thank you for hitting that 500 sub mark, I want to give you guys something, and something tangible that you can actually use with all of your photos, something that you can take with you when you take that advice that I give you every weekend to get out and go shoot. So in the link in the description, I have a link to a free LUT that I've been working on for the past week or two, and it is all yours. Take it, don't sell it, but it is yours to use for free. Make sure you share it around. I really appreciate you guys, and that's how I'm gonna say thank you. Now, I think that's a cool new trend I'm gonna start. I'm gonna be giving away LUTs or something every time I hit a milestone with subscribers. So for 500 subscribers, my free Cool and Lifted LUT down below. I'll do another one for, 600, 750. And I have a plan for 1,000 subs. Hold on. So, I've been working on my studio, and I have a couple extra flashes to give away. So, let's say 1,000 subscribers. Somebody gets a new photo studio free on me, I ship it to you. How does that sound? So in future videos, I'm gonna keep working on the rules and how I want this giveaway to work out, but right now it's gonna be at 1,000 subscribers. You're a subscriber and you're in the running to get a free photo studio. So that's all for this episode. Make sure you guys subscribe down below if you want a free studio. Yeah. Subscribe down below and make sure to get out and go shoot.